Howdy. Doesn't help that the gondola stopped twice.
I'm not lasting that long. I forgot everything today. I forgot my heaters. I forgot my.
Oh.
What am I
Dude, I was standing at the back. I could see your hands glowing.
Yeah, I know. I do the old. Yeah, let's do whiskey jack. You know, whiskey jack down. Maybe.
Just ski. What are those skis?
These are like old.
How many skis does he have? He's got more skis than anybody I know. I thought Linda was with you. So I saw a red jacket up there at the front. Oh, that's nice, eh? Yeah, go on the groomer line. Ew! Beautiful. Nothing like a fresh groomer track. Check out the view. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's so nice. Yo! Good way to start your day. Oh, it's so soft. Sometimes groomers are just fun. Mike, you're going to be in another extreme video. You're going to be in another extreme video. God. It's going to be a groomer day, maybe. How busy was it like on Thursday? Or, I mean, no, what was the Bluebird day? Tuesday. I sent Jimmy a picture of him at the front from the webcam.
Oh, that one. No, it was dead yesterday.
Was it?
Yeah. It was like after no line.
Alpine's going to be open any minute too, eh?
The 26th, the 27th, and the 29th.
Well, that's worth it right there. This is the worst place to get stuck on this chair. Oh,
I was here one year.
whoa!
Were you here when they had the triple?
No.
Slow triple. I get on with 2 snowboarders. And they
Tell us
go-
your story, Bruce.
And they go, oh, do you mind if we leave the bar up? And the thing, and it's,
No way.
it's crawling up here, and I'm like this. And they're just chatting away, you know.
Oh, dude, this is. I remember one day. Was it 2 years ago? It stopped right at, just even like 10 feet more, and it was like. And it was, I think it was a windy as hell, snowy day. It was like, oh, just get me
Did they ever
off.
blast this? Because it looks like, oh, it's straight down.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hardly ever. Oh yeah, it's just a rock. I was.
Yeah. Oh, oh we
It
made
hardly
it.
ever-
Bruce, we made it. Heart attack's gone away now.
I heard that it hardly ever falls off. Only one share in the last 2 years.
Oh, I don't like that.
Imagine if it gets stuck in the rope you out of there.
No. Oh, the wind! Woo! Woo! Wow, it's so windy. Woo! Oh, you guys came close there.